Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you all. In today's class I want to teach you guys how to make a wrap palazzo, a wrap pant. You can also call it a wrap palazzo. So you're just going to do one way folding. Yes, one way folding. You can fold the material into four. You can fold all of them at the same time. You can also fold it one and you place them on each other, and you can also fold it together like this, the way I'm folding it this way. You can fold it this way. You can also fold it separately. Look at this. Make sure you fold them together that way. So now you're going to determine the width of the fabric. So here I'm making use of 17 inches for hip 40. You understand? You can go above that. If you're having like hip 42, 41, 42, 43 and above, you can determine the width from this side. You can make the width of the fabric to be around 23, 24, 25. You understand? So it's not really constant, but here I'm using 17 inches. So on this part now, this upper part now, you're going to measure 5 or 4 inches. It is either 5 or 4 inches. Let's say it's constant. Whichever one you want to make use of, out of 4 or 5, it's okay. 4 or 5 inches on that upper part. So now here you're going for this hip 40, I'm making use of 11 inches. This other part too is not also constant. Depending on the size you're cutting for, you can make it 12, 13, or even 14. You can go as deep as 14, depending on the size. So you just cuff together like this. Maybe you're having hip 45 or so, you can make it 12. If you're having hip 45, you can make that part, you can make it 12 inches. If you're having a very big hip measurement like 50, you can make it 14 inches. So you are going to cut it out that way. Mind you, in a wrap part like this, you don't really need all this lap measurement and all that. No, all you just need to do is just determine the width of the fabric, determine the length, then measure 4 or 5 inches at the upper part, then 10 inches, 11, 12 or 13 downward, whichever one you want to make use of. Then you just cut it out this way. You don't have to measure this part, you don't have to measure the lap measurement, just get the length. So after getting the crotch out, this is serving as the crotch automatically. So this is what you are going to have. Just open it up this way. So then you are going to place it on each other. Just place it on each other like this. This part that will cut out now is the crotch. It is the crotch. So you're just going to sew round on each other this way. So I'll join it now. I will show you how it will look like. So if you look at it now, I've already joined it. You know, it's forming a pant already. Yeah, this way you just join. Then you're having the front and back already. So now after when you might have done this, so the next thing you are going to do is you're going to cut out a stripe, like 4 pieces of stripe, depending on how long you want it. It doesn't really have a fixed measurement. You can make it as long as 25 inches, maybe even 30, it can be 20. Then you are going to determine the width of the stripe too. So yeah, I'm making use of like 18 inches. Then the width, I'm making use of 3.5. I'm still going to fold into 2. Just like I said, it doesn't have a fixed measurement. I'm going to fold mine into 2 like this. So your own can be wider than this or even smaller. So depending on how you want it. So you are going to sew 4 pieces like that. You see, I've already done that. I turn it already. So after that, now we are going to tag them on the both side. This upper part you are going to hem it. Then the side too, you are going to do little hemming at that side on the both side. So after that, then you are just going to tag this to this side. Then you are going to tag this to the other side. Then you are going to turn the pant around and you do the same thing on this other side too. You are going to fold the upper part, you hem them around, then you do this tagging here, then you do this tagging at the other side too. I'll show you that now. You see, I've already done that. So you're going to do your knit piping at both sides and the upper part. Then you tag the stripe. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so.